Welcome to Maths and Science by IITian. In this lecture, I will be taking up a very good example on exponentials, graphs to find out a plus b when a to the power of a by b is equal to b to the power of b by a. In this example, I will be using the calculus. There are two methods by which we can solve it. One is by number theory and another is by calculus. Calculus method is little bit simpler, and simplifying the equation into logarithms and solving by trial and error using different numbers is one method, and second method is using the calculus. In this I will be using the calculus method. That will be simpler. It will be better if you have basic knowledge of differentiation to solve this equation. It will be useful for IIT JEE Mains, JEE Advanced and also Maths Olympiad. What we have to solve? We have to find out a and b such that a plus b such that a to the power of a by b is equal to b to the power of b by a and a is not equal to b. Once we find out a and b, then we can find out a plus b easily. It's an exponential equation including logarithmic equations, and we will be using calculus method for it. We'll go into the details. What is the question given? Given is that a to the power of a by b is equal to b to the power of b by a. These are all my self-made questions for the benefit of understanding the concepts in each different question. My questions in the lectures will be entirely different from each other, and these are all my self-made questions out of my experience. Please listen to them carefully and try to understand the concepts. Instead of concentrating only on the answer, please try to understand the concept. Concept is more important than the answer. Answer will automatically follow once your concepts are clear. Now, we will go for the solution. A to the power of a by b is equal to b to the power of b by a. By taking log on both sides, it implies a by b into ln a is equal to b by a into ln b. Do you agree? Which implies by cross multiplication a square by b square ln a is equal to ln b, which implies a square ln a is equal to b square ln b. Can we represent in some equation, some function? Can I take one function fx is equal to x square ln x if x is equal to a, it implies left hand side is equal to a square ln a. If x is equal to b, it implies right hand side is equal to b square ln b. What I have to solve is fx is equal to x square ln x is such that function A is equal to function B. Do you agree to this? Now we have to find out A and B values such that function A is equal to function B. Function x is given to you. When function x is given to you, function x is equal to x square ln x, it implies function dash x, that is equal to d by dx of function x. That implies function dash x is equal to, first derivative is equal to d by dx of function x is, what is the d by dx of function x? X plus 2x ln x. Do you agree? This is UV formula. UV dash. UV dash is equal to U dash V plus UV dash. From this we have got this function dash x. What is function double dash x? I expect that you know little bit of calculus, differentiation, and I need not do here again and again the differentiations. Simple differentiations. D by dx of x plus 2x ln x. What is the value? What is the value of it? Please find out. D by dx of x is 1. D by dx of 2x log x is 2 plus 2 ln x. From the previous one we got it. 1 plus 2 plus 2 ln x, that is equal to 2 ln x plus 3. 2 ln x plus 3. This is the value of second derivative. We got the value of first derivative and also we got the value of the second derivative, and as a is not equal to b for all the values of x, because ln x can have values when x is positive. When x is equal to positive. When x is positive, a and b also positive. When x is equal to positive, you see here also ln x can have value only x is equal to positive, because function x is x square into ln x. This is defined when x is positive. That means we will have a solution when x is having positive values, and we will try to find out that solution. Here we have said a is not equal to b, and we got function a is equal to function b. We have to find a and b in such a way that a is not equal to b and function a should be equal to function b. That is our ultimate aim. Now, function double dash x is equal to positive. That implies, because x is positive, it implies function double dash x is greater than 0. That means function x has a minimum. Do you agree? Function x has a minimum. When function x has a minimum, then when it will be? When function dash x is equal to 0. That implies x plus 2x ln x is equal to 0. That implies 2x ln x is equal to minus 1. That implies minus 1 into x. X get cancelled. That implies 2 ln x is equal to minus 1. That implies ln x is equal to minus 1 by 2. That implies x is equal to e to the power of minus 1 by 2. X will have a minimum value of e to the power of minus 1 by 2. So, because x cannot be less than 0, cannot be negative, then for the values 0 less than x less than e to the power of minus half, what happens to this function? Ln x will be less than minus 1 by 2. That implies function dash x is strictly decreasing. Strictly decreasing. As a homework, please cross check for x is greater than e to the power of minus half. What will be behavior of this function? Now, let us try to draw the graphically. I am only giving the concepts, please. Don't say that this problem took a lot of time. I am clearing the concepts. Try to understand the concepts. Questions can be of different type, but this type of problem comes, try to understand the concept and apply them. It's not for solving the questions I am here. I want to clear the concepts of the problems. This is function x, this is x, and When x is equal to e to the power of minus 1 by 2, what is the value of e to the power of minus 1 by 2? 1 by e to the square root of e. 1 by square root of e will be how much value? Please see. 1 by square root of 2.718. That is approximately 0.606. 1 by e to the power of minus 1 by 2 is 0.606. That means when x is equal to positive at e to the power of minus 1 by 2, y has the minimum. That function x has the minimum. And it is strictly decreasing. The shape will be like this. E to the power of minus 1 by 2. This is the function x. Hence, the domain of x is equal to domain of function x is equal to 0 to infinity, and range will be the minimum value. Range of function x is equal to the minimum value is minus 1 by e to the power of minus half. Range will be x is equal to e to the power of minus half means function e to the power of minus half to infinity. This is the range. This range and domain, why I have explained you and why I have drawn the graph, so that you will understand better about the problem. The range can be, it is inclusive of the limit also. We can even write an open interval or a closed interval, that is up to you. From 0, from here 0 to infinity, it goes from 0 to infinity, x value, because function x is equal to x square ln x. Hence 0 is not included, open interval. Because if 0 is included, what happens? Ln 0 is not definable. Hence this is the domain and range of the function. Now, the main aim for us to find out a and b. Range and this we have already got, and we have to find out the values of a and b. Here a square ln a is equal to b square ln b, and a is not equal to b. That means we are trying to find out the non-trivial solutions. Non-trivial solutions for this equation. Function x is equal to x square ln x. It has a domain of 0 to infinity. That means function a is equal to a square ln a can take any value between 0 to infinity. Function b is equal to b square ln b can take any value between 0 to infinity. Hence, there are many solutions for a and b such that function a is equal to function b. Where a need not be equal to b. Example, I will give one example. You can try for others also. Let a is equal to half. A is not equal to b. What will be the value of b? Left hand side is equal to a square ln a is equal to 1 by 2 whole square into ln 2. ln 1 by 2, sorry, a is equal to 1 by 2. That is equal to 1 by 4 ln 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 ln 2. This is left hand side. Whereas right hand side is equal to, I am not telling a is equal to b because we are not considering it. B value we have to find out. B square ln b is equal to left hand side. That is equal to minus 1 by 4 ln 2. We have to find out b such that b square ln b is equal to minus 1 by 4 ln 2. And make sure that b is not equal to half. How to solve this? Now, a is equal to half, we have got one solution. B is equal to how much? Where? For the given conditions, b square ln b is equal to minus 1 by 4 ln 2. Can we say b is equal to 2 to the power of minus half? Let us try. B is equal to 2 to the power of minus half. Then what happens to b square? B square is equal to 2 to the power of minus half whole square. That is equal to 2 to the power of minus 1. And what will be the value of ln? B. ln B is equal to ln 2 to the power of minus half. That is equal to minus half into ln 2. Then what is the value of b square into ln b? That is equal to 2 to the power of minus 1 into minus half into ln 2. That is equal to 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2 into ln 2. That is equal to minus 1 by 4 ln 2. Which is same as for a is equal to half. This is one pair I have got. A is equal to half, B is equal to 1 by square root of 2. This is the pair I have got as solution. As a homework, please try to find other pairs such that function A is equal to function B and A is not equal to B and function x is equal to x square ln x. I have simplified and I have put it in this function form so that you will be able to easily do it using calculus. Why I have adopted the calculus method? Because I have done many problems with numerical methods, number theory, and I want to use calculus in this. This is one of the solutions. Don't think that this is the only solution. There are many solutions. There can be complex solutions also you try to get if you have. I don't say there is any complex solution and I don't deny. Please try to find out. That's your homework. Try to think over on it. Problem is, solve the problem. A to the power of a by b is equal to b to the power of b by a when a is not equal to b. And we have simplified into a function x form and we want to solve function a is equal to function b for some x, and we have got the domain and range of this function x, and from that we understood some values, and from there we got these. Let us see whether these values have come from the domain of the function x, domain and range of the function x. Please find the range of the function x also, and please ensure that this type of problems, when they are given, it is need not be that only a plus b has to be found out. There can be questions being asked on the function, domain, range, and also strictly increasing or strictly decreasing the minimum values using calculus. Hence, I have taken it as a good example. Hence, from this, what is a plus b? A plus b is equal to one solution 1 by 2 plus 1 by square root of 2. Please try to find the other solutions. That is your homework. This is a very good example that came to my mind. I thought I will introduce you to algebra, little bit of algebra and some preliminary calculus. Now, you can do the same thing using other method Second method is, I am not going to do full in the second method. Let a by b is equal to some k. Then a to the power of a by b is equal to b to the power of b by a implies to a to the power of k is equal to b to the power of 1 by k, which implies a is equal to bk. Then you can take it as bk to the power of k is equal to b to the power of 1 by k. From this, you find out b value in terms of k, and you find out a value in terms of k, and find the domain and range, and find out the values of a and b to see that a is not equal to b. This you please treat it as a homework. If you are unable to do it, please put it in the comments column. I will solve in this method in the next lecture. Let us see we will get the same values or not. Best of luck to everybody. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you for viewing my lecture. And domain range I have introduced it to you because it is in algebra. It is very important for functions. I have given an introduction about the domain and range so that you will understand the concepts, and with an example, and please try to grasp all these concepts. Please don't say that this lecture is a little bit long and problem can be solved in a short time. It's not about problem solving, it is about grasping the concepts. Please concentrate on that. Problem can be solved in different ways. I have introduced the calculus method. Now in the next lecture I will be taking up the pure algebraic method where calculus is not involved. If you can do it, well and good, otherwise I will do it in the next lecture. Best of luck. Thank you for listening to me. If there is a value addition to you because of this lecture, kindly share and subscribe to my channel. Maths and Science by IITian. I am here to give you more and more number of problems, typical problems which are not there in the textbooks or which are taught from my side out of my experience, and I will be solving them. Don't go by the literal words from my side.